DaVinci here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a winning dropshipping product in 2020. Free beginner tutorial. I'm going to show you the easiest strategy for you to implement and for you to take actionable actions to go about doing this for your own dropshipping store. Definitely make sure you stay all the way to the end of this video. If you like anything that you're seeing in this video, consider subscribing and smash that thumbs up button. So here we are on the platform dropship100.com. And if you would like access to this, you can just go to dropship100.com. And if you want to save yourself some money, I got you. Use code MrDavinci20 all together to get 20% off your first month. Or if you want to get access to these products, just comment below hashtag MrDavinci. Now, with that out of the way, as you see here, there are currently over 1,229 different products for you. I promise you, I've used a lot of different softwares. I use Steve.co. I use eCom Hunt. I use a lot of different softwares that's out there, but my favorite one out of all of them is dropship100.com because it's so much valuable insight that they provide to us for each and every product listing that they provide for us. So I'm pretty sure, I am confident that out of 1,229 products, you will find some winners. Let's just put it that way. So let's take a look at some products here. I was actually looking at this product. See, I was thinking about testing it myself, but since y'all continue to watch my videos and you made it this far in the video, I'm going to give this product away for free. So right here, I have the 2-in-1 AirPod iPhone case. Now, truly, my honest opinion, I think this product is revolutionary. I know last year, maybe 2018, you might have heard of Scott Hills, let's say Hills, and how he was able to turn the one product drop shipping very popular through selling iPhone cases. You could potentially have the same thing on your hand, except this is a 2-in-1 AirPods iPhone case. So not only is it a case for your iPhone, it's also a slot on the case where you can put your AirPods on the back of it too. I just think anyone who has an iPhone would want this. Personally, I want this. So like they say, don't sell nothing that you wouldn't buy yourself or that you would recommend for your friends, family, coworkers, etc. to buy. And I would buy this. So the selling price, we're looking at $24.99. Product cost is $3.59, giving you a profit margin of $21.40 a sale. Here we have a really nice gift for our product description. And also you can see all the text. Let me move my avatar out the way. What? There's another one. Oh, okay. Hold on here. Thought I could move out the way. Guess not. But yeah, so this is a pretty much ready to go copy and paste product listing for your Shopify product on your product page on the section of your Shopify store. I hope it ain't confuse you there. And provided through the lovely people who work at dropship100.com. We have access to not one, not two, but 3 AliExpress suppliers. A link to Alibaba for FBA. So if those of you doing Amazon FBA, I got you covered too. A link for listings that's on Amazon. If you're looking for a quick, fast, easy shipping delivery method, because you know AliExpress 12 through 20 days, you can just go to Amazon. Now, this will cut into your profits just slightly, but what is important when drop shipping is time, value, and delivery. And quality, of course, but you know, people want to get things fast. We are very impatient people, and we want to get things as quickly as possible with the least amount of resistance that we have to face. So definitely consider using Amazon as one of your suppliers. Let's take a look here at our competition who's currently selling this. I'm going to give you my honest feedback about what I think about their store, whether I think it's good, whether it's bad. If you would like for me to review my subscriber stores, I'm all for it. Just leave me a comment below. I'll leave an email for y'all to contact me about your store, and I'll make it a video, and y'all can leave your feedback on it. So here we are on Chase. I don't know. .VIP. They have a nice, ready to go, eye-catching headline. Fire emoji. Last 2 days promotion. 50% off. 2-in-1 AirPods iPhone case. Ooh, comes in nice colors. White, black, purple, red, blue, yellow. Personally, I might get the blue, yellow, maybe red, maybe black. And then they have the style of the iPhone that it go for. all the iPhones. Basically, if you got anything on the iPhone 6 Plus, you're not getting this. But I like this trust badge. I haven't really came across this one before, but I feel that it stands out. Matter of fact, no shame in getting quote unquote inspiration. Yeah, but guaranteed safe checkout. Then they have a nice offer right here, 5% off, purchase 2 coupon, yada, yada, yada. Basically, if you buy more than one, you get up to a certain amount of discount off. Then we have a nice ready to go gift, some screenshots, some pictures. You know how I feel about this. It's very crucial when listing your product. Keep the consumer engaged. So as you see, I'm scrolling down, I'm still being hit with stuff. It's not just a bunch of words and I'm just reading, or they have, like the pictures on the side and then it just scrolls. No, we're not doing that. So overall, I definitely feel there's still one more thing I have to see. One more thing. And then they have their guarantee, full refund, shipping worldwide, payments via PayPal, credit card, yada, yada, yada. But one thing I need to see is, do they have reviews? No, they don't have any reviews. But other than that, this product listing is, I give it a 4.5 out of 5. If they have reviews for this product, I give it a straight 5 out of 5. But that's just me. Nothing wrong with it, but I just think that reviews help customers convert better because they have social proof that others have bought it and they can trust that, okay, if they bought it and they left this type of feedback, I feel more comfortable buying from this store because, we're basically sending cold traffic to a website that they know nothing about. And the targeting for our Facebook ads, I do Facebook feed, Instagram feed, and Instagram stories. But I've been chatting with Facebook themselves, and they said I need to start trying automatic placements. So that's something that you can consider. Again, you can take my opinion with a grain of salt. I'm just telling you what the Facebook company told me. So, country, we're going to start with USA. Gender, we want to target both men and women. Age range, 18 through 65. Interest for you, if you're going to target this product, is owns iPhone 6, own iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 6S, iPhone 6S Plus, iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone SE Gadget. So you basically target everyone who got an iPhone. And then here we have our ready to go video ad for, again, Facebook feed, Instagram feed, Instagram story. And there's a new feature that not too many of you know about. Now on your Facebook Ads Manager account, you can start running ads to the Instagram Explore page. I've been testing that. I don't have the results to show you now, but I'm definitely testing that because that is very beneficial. I know a lot of people have been looking and trying to figure out to get an Instagram Explorer page, but now you can pay to have your product show up there. So just imagine the unlimited potential of people that can come see you randomly scrolling through the Explorer page. It's very nice. And then we have a ready to go ad text to go with our ready to go video ad, which is AirPods carrier plus Apple phone case. Never forget your AirPods again. This is the product that I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. Check out all the other content that I have on you. They're free, value, action-packed to help you take your Shopify store from A through Z so that you know everything that you need to know when it comes to Shopify dropshipping. Definitely, if you like what you're seeing, smash that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe because I'm back on my daily grind. Monday through Friday, I'm back dropping videos for y'all because I want to see y'all win. And yeah, that's all I got for you. Again, to get access to this, click on the first link in the description or in the comment section below. Take you to dropshiphunter.com. All you have to do is create your account. Use code MrDavinci20 to get 20% off your first month. I'm really giving you guys a steal here because the price that you pay for a regular membership over time will add up, and I'm trying to help you save money. I'm trying to help you make money. I'm trying to help you save money. So it's a win-win. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody. Talk to you soon.